Hi, and today we are sharing the news for 3rd January, continuing the series to help you prepare for WAT and PI to get into IIMs and top B schools. So, the actual news article from which we have taken these key points are listed out at our daily news section in our website. So, the link for our website is given below. So, today, top 5 news headlines are UPI transaction crossed 100 billion mark in 2023. So in budget 2024, budget's economy reforms to help India glitter. India is now part of world's largest radio telescope project. Adani Hindenburg case verdict. Supreme Court asked SEBI to finish probe in 3 months. Banks pass through the rate hikes fastest of past 3 cycles. So yeah, we'll be looking these news in detail. So the UPI transactions crossed 100 billion mark in 2023. In 2023, UPI transaction soared to 118 billion, marking a remarkable 60% increase from 2020's 74 billion transactions. By December 2023, UPI saw a record of 12 billion transactions valued at 18.23 lakh crore. UPI is expected to surpass MasterCard's daily transaction volume and could potentially approach Visa's daily average of 750 million transactions. Despite there being 9.6 crore credit cards in India, their transaction value stand at around 1.6 lakh crore, significantly lower than UPI's monthly performance. The NPCI's technology stack architecture enables infinite scalability for the mobile payment system. Second news for the day. Budget 2024. Budget's economic reforms to help India glitter. The upcoming budget 2024 is anticipated to prioritize rural India, placing special emphasis on boosting the agricultural sector, rural infrastructure, and overall economic development in rural areas. It is expected to introduce policies and allocations aimed at supporting rural communities and addressing their specific needs. The budget is anticipated to introduce comprehensive economic reforms designed to bolster the nation's economy, enhance employment opportunities, and foster sustainable growth across various sectors, particularly in rural regions. Budget's role as a blueprint. So, the upcoming budget is anticipated to go beyond a mere physical statement. Third news for the day. India is now part of world's largest radio telescope project. India has become part of Square Kilometer Array, the world's largest radio telescope project focusing on unraveling the mysteries of the universe. The SKA project aims to build the most sensitive radio telescope ever, exploring the cosmic phenomena such as the origins of the universe, dark matter, and gravitational waves. India's involvement signifies its participation in constructing and designing aspects of the telescope, leveraging its expertise in science, engineering, and technology. India's inclusion in SKA project marks a significant step in advancing country's contribution to cutting-edge astronomical research and furthering our understanding of the universe. So, fourth news of the day. Adani Hindenburg case verdict. Supreme Court asked SEBI to finish the problem in 3 months. The case involves allegations made by foreign investment firm Hindenburg Research against Adani Group regarding the improper conduct in stock market. The court emphasized the need for SEBI to conclude its investigation expeditiously and found no basis for transferring the case to CBI at this stage. The Supreme Court's directive to SEBI aims to ensure a swift and thorough investigation into the allegations raised by Hindenburg Research against the Adani Group. The court's decision aims to expedite the investigation process and seeking a timely resolution of the case and maintaining regularity oversights in the securities market. So, fifth and final news for the day. Banks pass through rate hikes fastest of past 3 cycles. RBI data reveals that banks have swiftly passed on increased interest rates set by RBI in the latest cycle compared to the past 3 rate increase cycles. The quick transmission is largely attributed to RBI's directive mandating banks to link lending rates to external benchmarks, leading to faster repricing of loans following RBI's rate changes. Deposit rate transmission has also improved, with 69% of transmission in the latest cycle compared to lower percentages and even negative transmission in previous cycles. The distribution of outstanding loans across interest rate buckets reflects faster transmission, with a notable increase in the share of loans with rates over 9%, while those with rates below 9% declined, indicating the impact of rate changes on lending the rates. So these are the 5 newses for today, and we'll be putting up more videos for colleges with various percentiles, VAT, and personal interviews, B-School deadlines, and much more content on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Do like if you found it useful. Thank you and good luck.